Predicting the effects of fluid flow and heat transfer can really make the difference between a good design and a great design. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation lets you test your products using real-world conditions and helps you optimize your designs to get the best possible performance. In SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2013, visualizing fluid flow and reviewing model performance has been given a real boost. Let me show you one really neat addition to the display options. Understanding how air flows around complex geometry is important for customers focusing on aerodynamics. To make this a lot easier, we've added new tools for section and surface plots. Streamlines can be shown as evenly spaced contours or as a shaded flow stream display. What's really amazing is that these plots are rendered on your graphics card in real time and update the amount of detail based on your zoom level. This is great for looking at specific flow areas in finer detail, without affecting performance or your overall view of the results. You can see on this surface plot that the shaded flow stream display really helps, not only to see the specific result values, but also the path of the air over the surface. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2013 lets you visualize your fluid flow in such detail you can easily optimize your designs to get the best possible performance.